will be an advocate for that and ensure that we are conducting routine assessment. For my practicing license, I am a qualified doctor. My registration is A6275. I have been in clinical practice from 2007 to 2020, compliant to license renewal. In 2020, I joined World Health Organization. It is a UN, part of the UN agencies. It is an international, independent entity with no affiliation to any member states. I was an international civil servant, offering services to 22 countries in Eastern Southern Africa, and the 47 member states also supported in the Afro region. So my work and my capacity was at an international level as a policy advisor, giving strategic direction and technical advice to various countries in the Afro region. Once the president nominated me as cabinet secretary, because of the courtesy and respect and coming back into the Kenyan medical environment, as well as the office of the cabinet secretary, I renewed my clinical practice.
Mule. Thank you very much, Chair, and welcome, Dr. Barasa.